So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is now our 4th day here in the US, but this is our 2nd day here in Seattle. So umuusok pa rin yung bunganga ko kasi sobrang init, sobrang lamig po yung surroundings ng bahay nila William and Vange. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung mga puno. As you observe ay walang mga dahon because of the snow. So ayan. So pero dito meron. So ito yung unit nila, yung 7207. So ito yung kanilang unit. At doon kami, dito kami naka-stay. Dito kami natutulog sa room na yan. So ang mga bintana nila ay close talaga ng mga salamin para hindi pasukin ng lamig. At saka merong mga heater sila kasi yung labas nila ay centralized aircon. So ayan, so ito yung paligid nila. So ayan. So, dito ako sa labas ng bahay nila William. So, sobrang lamig. Wala ka man lang makita kahit isang tao lang na lumalakad. Ayan. So, ito yung puno na walang Hi! Bye muna. Kami ay magliliwaliw. Ito yung garage ni William. Ganito. My God, grabe ang lamig. Bye muna. Corner house pala sila. Anong lugar to yan? Sabihin mo to yan? Anong lugar ito?
Lacey, Washington.
Capital of Washington.
Yeah, Olympia.
Olympia. Capital of Washington. Okay.
Okay, kita nilingon mo kung maano yan daan na rabungain.
Ay, sige daw. Wait lang. Dandan lang. 7. Bako yan. Wait lang. Wait. May 7-2. Ito. Yun, ito. Okay. Tinandaan ko yung number eh.
Ang mga nandito, mga military ng mga pulisya.
Mga nakatira daw dito yung mga military. Ganda ng ng view.
Storage office. Heated spaces.
We're heading to Seattle Needle. Ano to te? Needle. Ano yung pupuntahan natin?
Downtown Seattle.
Downtown Seattle.
Space Noodle.
Space Needle.
Play ang mga sports. Oo, tama. Maagi kita sa laog. digdi ah. Pwede digdi. Okay, okay na bayad digdi.
May sasend na lang yan sa
Take the exit toward I-5
Ayun,
Mercer Street.
bibigyan talaga.
At the light, turn right on Broad Street, then turn right.
Just to make sure it's turn right. Ayan na. Grabe ang pila. Bakasyon.
Ayan.
May mga school na
Diyan kami pupunta sa pinakataas niyan. Ito yung space nila.
No.
So, diyan kami pupunta sa taas na yan. Yan.
Kami sa luwas.
Sa kiosk. Ay, salamat. Tignan mo, may mga ice pa dyan o sa gilid. Oh. Okay, so papasok na kami sa Space Needle.
Hey folks, watch y'all step getting in. Watch your step getting in, folks. Watch y'all step getting in. Now, don't stress out too hard. You will see it all from the top. Believe me or not, it does look better from up there. Currently looking out of the Seattle Center. Down to your right, all the colorful things, those are glass sculptures, part of Jolie Gardens. White arches, buildings surrounding it's called the Pacific Science Center. They got a lot going on. There's a laser dome, a butterfly exhibit, a planetarium, and a lot more. All that water out there, it's salt water, part of what's called the Puget Sound, and it does reach directly back to the Pacific, which means you can spot orcas and whales out there. Sadly, they're all migrating towards Hawaii, where I want to visit. When you folks are done upstairs, there is another floor beneath y'all. Head around to the right, you'll see there's 2 flights of carpeted stairs to head down. That's going to get you to the floor beneath us. We're going to pick you up from down there. Otherwise, watch your step and enjoy the view. We'll pick you up from down there.
Oh my God.
When you're ready to see that floor beneath, y'all can go back and
Ito na kita.
the carpeted stairs to the right. This area right here, though.
Ganda naman talaga. Ano ba yun? Look, may mga ice pa dyan. That's why it's so cold here. Yeah. Napatakto kami ng Space Needle. Ito yung downtown Seattle. Ito yung downtown Seattle. It's super cold. Look at that. Revolving, ano ako dyan? It's revolving. sa glass. Kitang-kita yung baba. Okay. Tao, gitna ka, dikdik ka. Okay. Dito kami sa glass floor. And it's revolving around the Space Needle. Nakakatakot kasi nakikita ko yung baba, oh. Yan. Nakatakot tumayo kaya nakaupo lang kami. So, hindi ko kayang tumayo, hindi ko caring tumayo. Kaya nakaupo lang kami dito. As you observe, gumagalaw siya. Ayan. So, umiikot siya 360 degrees dito sa Space Needle. Ayan. Ayan na. So, naka-experience na din kami nito doon sa Las Vegas. Top of the world. Pero, parang may iba naman dito. Talagang nakakatakot. Because of the glass. We've been there. Upstairs. So, after namin dito sa Space Needle, ay pupunta naman kami dito sa Chihuly Gardens. Beautiful. So beautiful. What a beautiful. Ang masterpieces nila ay mga glasses. Glass. Ayan. So, yan pa. Ang gaganda ng kanilang mga masterpieces. Mga ano siya, glass house garden. What a beautiful one. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Para siyang chandelier. I told you to charge it.
茶に最後にパンをあげる。
Ang dami pang ice. Snow. Ngayon ito sa loob. Oh. As in, paano kaya nagawa din na bitay dyan? Kasi violet. Seems like candle. Ganda ng mga orange. So another experience dito sa Chihuly Garden. So, mas maliit naman siya sa sa Gardens by the Bay of Singapore. Pero kakaiba naman yung mga naka-display dito. Oh, look at this. So, lahat ng mga naka-display ay made of glass. That one. Ayun. Made of glass. And bawal sila hawakan. And look at this. Akala mo mga balloons. Pero mga yan, mga glass. Busy siya mag-video. Americans. So dito na to sa labas ng dome. Tingnan mo, ang dami pang ice. Ayan. Mga yellow. Yellow. I know, snow, I mean. Ayan. May snow. See? Nag-snow dito sa Ayan. So, ngayon ko lang na ang snow pala ay para siyang buo-buo din siya. Para siya yung nanigas na yellow sa loob ng freezer. So kung tinan ninyo, ang dami pa. Ang dami. Kasi nag-snow dito daw kahapon. Hindi namin, nasa kasi kami malayo dito sa downtown Seattle. So, bukas daw ay mag-i-snow. What a beautiful masterpieces of Chihuly. So, dito lang yan katabi ng Space Needle. Yan. So, galing kami dyan kanina. Ang taas pala. Oh, see? Ayun. Ganyan palang paggawa. Niluluto sa init.
I mean, you could do that if you wanted to, but I mean, yeah, they might have. Well, because you can also use, color bar, and then Just, yeah, stick that on like a pipe, and then you could overlay it.
This is the same thing as that. This is just one chunk, and that's a bunch of things. So you can take this and put it in a grinder and make it into that. There's just different ways to apply it. There's different ways it starts.
Yeah.
You can also have it take a little salt. If you added that into the furnace, then it would be the color that you use. So we use clear that you can add more than. But if you have like a tank full of blue glass, then you can limit it to so we use clear as like the blank canvas that you add. So he's stretching a lid like that, like bigger, bigger.
Guys, nagdala po kami dito sa public market. Ayan. Sobrang lamig as in. Kasi kakatunaw lang daw ng mga ice dito. Bumibili lang si Mami Sal ng ano sa market sa ng mga seafoods.